Hey guys, today I'm outside and we're going to take a look at my collection of things that I found on my nature walk yesterday, and I'm going to try to sort them in a bunch of different ways. So let's see what I found. Whoa. That's a lot of stuff. First, I think I'll sort by item. So that means I'm going to find things that look the same and put them together. Do you guys know what this is? That's called a pine cone. I know I found a few of those, so I'm going to put them in their own group. I think that's it. I found 1, 2, 3, 4 pine cones. Let's see what else I found. Oh, we learned about this in our story yesterday. This is called bark. I found this one big piece of bark and one smaller piece of bark. So I found 1, 2 pieces of bark. I also found leaves, and I found a bunch of different types of leaves, but I'm going to put them all together in one group. This is a leaf from a holly tree. It's kind of spiky on the end. There's another one. Alright, I found a lot of leaves. Let's count how many I found of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 leaves. Another thing I found was flowers, and I found 2 different types. I found white flowers, 2 of those, and I found pink flowers. So I'm gonna group all of my flowers together. Whoops, they're blowing away. I think that's all of them. Let's count how many flowers I found. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 flowers. Maybe you guys remember yesterday we talked about some trees have leaves and some trees have needles. So look at those. That's from a pine tree. So I found a few different clumps of needles. So I'll put those right here. Okay, I found 1, 2, 3 chunks of needles. Another thing I found on my walk was rocks. I know you guys know what rocks are. The rocks I found are pretty white. I think that's it. I found 1, 2, 3 rocks. A lot of times we call these sticks. Do you guys remember what we called them in our story the other day? These sticks can also be called twigs. Let's see how many twigs I found. I found 1, 2, 3 twigs. There's also part of a tree that's smaller than the trunk, but a little bit bigger than the twigs. That's called a branch. I only found 1 branch. There's only 2 things left that I haven't sorted. These fall off the tree in my front yard. I'm not entirely sure what they're called, but they're really pointy. I'll put those on this side. The other thing I still have left is the top to an acorn. So I'll put those on that side. Which thing do I have more of? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3. Which group is bigger? The group with 5 is bigger. Another way I could sort my collection is by color. There's 4 main colors I see. Brown, pink, green, and white. So I'm gonna sort my items into those 4 color groups. Let's tally how many we found of each color. Remember, a tally is a little line down. So here we have 1, 2. So we need 1, 2 tallies. We found 2 pink items. Okay, now let's tally our brown items. 1, 2, 3, 4, and remember, for the 5th one, we go across. 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 brown items. Now let's tally our green. 1, 2, 3, 4. What do we do for our 5th one? Across. And 6. 6 green items. Finally, let's tally our white items. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. The 5th line does what? Goes across. 5 white items. Okay, looking back at our color sort, can you tell which color we found the most of? We found the most brown, because we found 9. Which color did I find the fewest of? Meaning the smallest number. Pink. I only found 2 pink. So that's how you sort by color. One more way that you could sort your items is by size. So maybe I'll try finding a really small item. This rock looks really small. Now I want to find something that's a little bit bigger. I'm gonna go with this leaf. That leaf is bigger than my rock. Now can I find something that's bigger than the leaf? I'm gonna go with this piece of bark. So check it out. I have something that's small, medium, and large. So that's another way you could try sorting your items. Alright guys, so that's it for my sorting. I sorted my items in 3 different ways. I sorted by item, I sorted by color, and then I also put them in size order. So you can pick one or you can pick all 3 ways to sort your items. Can't wait to see what you guys do. Bye!